Hey everybody, thanks for watching our video. I'm Andy Thompson with Cedar Siding Repair, and today we are in Dublin, Ohio, and I wanted to take just a few minutes to talk about a great small business here in Columbus. It's called Creative Paints. They are a specialty paint store that offers Benjamin Moore coatings, and I've been highly impressed with them in their product offering and just their knowledge of the painting industry. And I think that when people are looking for more information than just baseline information, when they really want to speak with professionals that know what they're talking about, can really service their home properly, I don't think there's any place that comes to mind other than Creative Paints here in the Columbus market. So today we're talking with Dave Yonka, and we're speaking with Craig Pruden of Creative Paints. And Dave, why don't you just take a second and just tell our audience who you are, what your role is with Benjamin Moore, just your experience and how long you've been with the company.
My name is Dave Yonka. I work for Benjamin Moore Paints. I'm a territory representative. I cover Lancaster, Columbus, up to Sandusky, over to Toledo. I've been with Benjamin Moore 26 years, and my focus is to sell Benjamin Moore products through the independent paint channel. With them, through them, however we can get the product across the board.
That's really cool. Benjamin Moore, they have just done a very, very good job of separating themselves from the competition in terms of style, efficiency, product longevity. There's definitely a line drawn of where good and great is with exterior and interior coatings. How did Benjamin Moore do that? Because how long have you been with Benjamin Moore?
26 years.
26 years. That's incredible. That alone is incredible. What do you feel Benjamin Moore is doing that's right? Because not many places can pull off that kind of reputation.
We do it through a couple different avenues. Relationships with our retailers. That's very important to help them grow their business and be profitable. And that's a big word there, profitability. As far as product goes, when we come out with our products, we want it to be our best in class. So we have premium, we have super premium, but we want it to be the best. Several years ago, we came out with our colorant, Gen-X colorant, which is a water-based colorant. No one else has anything like it. It's resin-based, it actually dries, and it fortifies the product. The acrylic products are out there. So when we formulate new products, we want it to be best in class. When we reformulate it to meet the standards of OSHA and OTCs, we want to make sure it's best in class. And then if it's not, we have evaluations that we make it better and better each time it comes out.
Wow, that's really cool. So you would say that Benjamin Moore as a company, they're not just trying to move coatings and products, they're not just looking at sheer volume of gallons being sold. They're very interested in addressing market concerns, finding out what needs to be improved, and then acting on that quickly so that the homeowners and contractors are best served.
Absolutely. And our channel's the independent paint channel, so they're locally owned businesses. Like most of our contractors, they have the same concerns that you would have running your business with their employees, and it seems to work hand in hand.
That's really, really cool. Speaking of locally owned, Craig, good to see you again.
Thanks for having me.
No problem. Craig, we've heard from Dave. What has been your experience with Benjamin Moore? Can you just take a second and tell us what you do?
I've been with Creative Paints officially about 13 years now.
Okay.
I've dealt in the paint business before even, and also did some painting also myself personally. Ben Moore has always been a quality line of paint. They're not out there to sell the stuff that's just to meet someone's low-end budgets necessarily. We have different price ranges to fit different budgets, but they are focused more on the quality. And I think that's what makes our job easier. Because when you have a better product, it backs itself. It speaks for itself. And that makes the job a lot easier also.
That's really cool. That's really cool. When outside of the actual coatings, I think what I have certainly experienced in relations to Benjamin Moore is that the people in Benjamin Moore's brand they have a very, very deep bench of talent. So there's a lot of employee resources. There's a lot of people that have been with Benjamin Moore for a long time, and they're available to answer questions not only to us as contractors but also to homeowners. Can you take a second and just tell our audience what kind of deep bench Creative Paints has, and how long have the average employee been with Creative Paints?
Yeah, our tenure is probably the best here in Central Ohio. You won't find that anywhere nearby, that's for sure. I mean, most of our managers, the least amount is 20 plus years.
Right.
And that's something you just don't go to any other paint store and find,
amazing.
whether it's a big box store or one of our main competitors.
Right.
And that accumulated knowledge is what makes it easier, not only for the contractors, but also for the homeowners, because we know what kind of questions, to actually pull out of the customer if they're not quite sure what they need to do.
Right.
And to help them make that job go easier, and of course, to make it last longer and look better for a longer time.
Right. I think that's such a cool way to describe it, because, there's we can, because we can only talk about color and, some of the more baseline discussions about a job. But when people have these very expensive, difficult tasks that need to be done, if we are not answering questions and process questions the right way, we really truly aren't helping our customers.
That's right.
And it's so important to be working with a store like yours, because homeowners and contractors, we want you guys to be a resource not only to us but to our customers, because these are very affluent, wise people that are making investments into their properties, and it's very important that they are educated on how these processes are done, and how to get the most life out of the siding on their home when they invest into a paint job, with us or whatever contractor they decide to go with.
Exactly.
So I wanted to highlight these three paint offerings from Benjamin Moore. This one is Aura. The second one is Woodlux, which is their stain, and the third one is Regal. So, most of the clients that, if you're watching this video, these are the paints and the stains that we are most likely offering. We like the low luster finish. Usually we like doing a low luster on the trim, and throughout the body we like doing a flat finish. So I really like that offset and stance that it gives a Cedar home. I think it's very attractive. Dave, can you just outline those three products? Just talk about what differentiates each product from the other and when you should use it.
So our Aura product exterior line is a super premium. We consider this the best of the best. This is our best product we carry. 2-coat application, any color, lifetime guarantee. It's going to bridge small cracks and any issues you have with that, and it's heavy bodied, so it'll help in your coverage. When you're talking exterior paint lines, then we drop down to the Regal or the Morgard. Okay, that's an alkyd modified product, so it has an alkyd resin in it. It helps bite the chalky surfaces, transitions of oil finishes to latex finishes, and gives you a nice smooth finish.
Yes. Yep.
Our Woodlux is our exterior stain line that we rebranded this year, and we came out with an acrylic, and the transoxide pigments on it are ground down more so than our competition. So it's going to give you, although latex products sit on the surface, it's going to give you a little bit better penetration than you get from the competitors. And then in our oil versions, they're all compliant, OTC2 compliant, and they're broken down so it penetrates in. It's got a higher mildewcide in it, and it's going to go a little bit further than our competition.
That's pretty cool.
As far as durability and everything goes, they're going to last, a long time on the verticals. Horizontals are going to get a year or two on the deck, and that's normal.
Yeah, sure.
But it's going to give the applicator a 1-coat application, which is nice. And that's the gist of it.
That's pretty cool. We a lot of times our customers will say, "Hey, Andy, should we paint our house or stain our house?" Because there's a lot of misconceptions and confusion on, do I have paint or do I have stain? how would you educate our clients when they should restain their house versus if they should use a solid paint to paint their house?
We kind of put it in the gear of how old the coat or the wall is or the surface is, right? In the beginning, you're going to have as little pigment as possible because you want to show as much of the wood. So a stain is going to show more wood. A solid color stain, for lack of argument, is a thin down paint. So you're still going to see the texture of the wood. When you get into the paints, they're a little heavier bodied and they're going to give you more of a uniform finish, and you might not see that texture. And aesthetically is where that conversation tends to go. How much you want to see the wood, what kind of shape it's in, or do you just want it to be a solid, consistent color? And that's what it comes down to.
That's really cool. Well, you guys, it's been a pleasure working with you guys. You guys are just incredible resources to pretty much everybody in the state of Ohio, and there's just such a need for all these cedar homes here in the Columbus market. They need repaired, they need to be painted, and I can't think of a better place as a resource than Creative Paints to be your partner and to tell you, hey, this is what you need to do. It's very, very valuable to have somebody in your corner that you can call and ask questions and get real definitive answers from long track record employees that have been in the industry a long time. So you guys, it's just been so good to see you.
Thanks, Andy.
Again.
Thank you for your business.
No problem. Thanks a lot.